every time you talk about chemical engineering, people automatically connect it with chemistry. And so what your experience has been in that? Like, do you really feel that there is a lot of chemistry with chemical engineering, and what is the basic connection between the two disciplines?
Yeah. I also was thinking about the same thing when I took a chemical engineering degree. I thought it's gonna be a lot of, like becoming a scientist or something. But in reality, it's a lot more than chemistry. But chemistry and chemical engineering actually goes hand in hand to some extent. I'd say it's kind of a subset of chemical engineering. Like I said earlier, ChemEng is about realizing whatever we see or study on a chemistry kind of level. For instance, if you have a particular reaction in chemistry, and for instance, now you have reformers, which actually reforms naphtha into gasoline, which is a product used in your car nowadays. So that happens through a certain chemical reaction. You do study that in chemistry, chemistry subjects that you take in chemical engineering, reactions in, for instance. And how chemical engineering plays a role in a bigger role is actually scaling that up. The reaction you want, you can actually simulate it, you can actually build a pilot plant out of it, and then you start scaling up the technology. And that's also how they develop the technology in real life. You put a bunch of engineering into it, the physics of it, the chemistry of it, the mathematics of it. And once you get all of that together, that's how you actually realize it in terms of industry scale. So to me, if people say chemistry is not important, chemistry is actually a bread and butter of it. It's a part, a subset of it. So if you want to excel, you also need to actually have some basic fundamental understanding of chemistry. But chemistry alone is not enough to excel in chemical engineering.
Okay, that is very nicely put. And to be very honest, that's probably the best explanation that I've heard about the relation between chemical engineering and chemistry. So that was very nicely put. Thank you, Faiz.